Hello everybody, welcome to BC Original Rehearsal. Our presentation, you have this moment you say, oh, I can't. And this song I wrote says, yes, you can. So when you hear yourself saying, I can't, yes, you can. So that's my song titled, Yes, You Can. Yes, you can. I can. Yes, you can. I can. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. The Lord is present. The Lord will show you the way. As a sneak preview, yes, you can. We're rehearsing. This is a new piano, and it's something new that I use now in creating BC music, Barbara Campbell music, and it's a miniature, and I'm so excited about this new addition that I can travel with, so it makes it so convenient. But I want to say thank you so much for tuning in. And this song goes out to those who feel that that they can't. And yes, you can. So here it goes. Wherever you are around the world, this is for you. I dedicate this song to you. Yes, you can. I can't. Yes, you can. I can't. Yes, you can. I can't. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. The Lord will show you. The Lord will show you the way. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Smell the air we all breathe. Life is an experience, and it will set you free.